So today I'm going to show you what $500 can get you in Tbilisi, Georgia. I slaughter it every time. Come on in. Okay. So, can you get this?
Yeah.
We have...
I just ran into the wall.
Lots and lots of storage. Like I can fully unpack all my hiking gear in all of this. Our shoes, our bags, more of our shoes. There's storage up there, but I can't reach it. Oh, lots of mirrors. Oh, so this fancy
Ran into the wall again.
That doesn't surprise me.
Okay.
If I were to ring this, anybody rings the doorbell, right?
Okay.
You can see me.
Hello, hi.
Hello.
Okay.
That's so cool. And if someone wants to come over, downstairs they dial our apartment number, and then we can see them on here, and then we just buzz them in.
Okay.
So fancy.
What's that in the corner there behind the door?
This?
Yeah.
Oh, this is a heater. This is very different than the U.S. I don't really understand how it works the way it does, but it basically just emits heat, and there's 3 of them. They're hard on apartment.
Actually, 3? Yeah.
Oh, 4.
Oh, what?
No,
Okay.
there's one in there.
Okay.
Yeah, so this thing's weird.
Mhm.
Like, I don't know.
It's actually on.
It's
warm.
on, and I can touch it,
Right.
but somehow this thing makes this whole entire thing warm.
Okay. And the floor? Do you like it?
Oh my, yeah.
Is
It's
it?
hardwood.
It's hardwood floor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice. Okay, our bathroom.
Mhm.
This toilet.
Mhm. Lift
And
it all the way up. Lift it. Why don't you lift the entire lid?
Why?
Yeah. Okay. Now do it.
Does this soft close too?
Oh yeah. I do it all the time.
I'm not a dude. I don't feel like this.
Okay.
But so our toilet, our doors, our cabinets, all these like fancy soft close stuff. Oh my God, it does.
Hmm?
Oh, that's nice. So
Okay.
there's no what we're used to in the U.S. a flusher.
Yeah.
Or a water tank. That's all behind this wall.
Alright.
So if you pee, you push this one, and if you poop, you push this one.
Okay.
More water. I'm actually really happy this is here.
What
I
is
first
it?
did this, use this to clean myself in Asia, and it's actually really nice. You can either change the temperature on this, which is never normal. In Asia, like in Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia, it is so cold coming out of that hose when you clean yourself after you use the toilet. But here you can change the temperature, you can change like how much water comes out, which is super nice.
Okay. Hold on. Let me get a shot of the mirror and faucet. Okay. Nice trash can. Okay. All right.
So now we have our shower.
What's special about this shower? Looks like a regular shower.
No, so we have a rainfall, what's it called? The rainfall shower
Rain
head.
shower, yeah.
I don't know. But that's nice. You have two nozzles or 2 shower heads here. And then
What else? What are you showing us?
we have a washer. It comes with our own washer in here. So we don't have to go to a laundromat or drop our clothes off at a laundry place.
Okay.
And this is also another heater.
For the
in
bathroom?
here. Yeah, for the bathroom.
It's insane.
I know. It's
And
nice.
it seems like we have recessed lighting.
Is that what that's called?
Yeah, recessed lighting.
Take your word for it.
Okay. Well, thank you.
Okay, let's do the bedrooms. This is a 1 bedroom, right?
Okay.
Sometimes they'll say it's a 1 bedroom and it's just a studio, right? What we're used to in the U.S. This is a true 1 bedroom. Door closes. So we have massive closet. I mean, this is huge. Our closet in Chiang Mai, what do you think? Was just like half of this, yeah?
Yeah, pretty
It's probably
much.
just this size.
Heck yeah.
And it wasn't even this tall.
Right.
I could actually reach the top of our closet in Chiang Mai, which I can't do that here. So again, tons of storage, which we don't need, but nice to have.
How's the bed? Do you like it? Is
Yeah.
it comfortable?
It's really
Is it
comfortable.
hard like other?
No!
Oh,
I actually like sink down in it,
okay.
you know? And then we have the balcony right off our bedroom. With access to, oh my gosh, the doors! Oh, I forgot about these. Right, so you can just open this like regular,
Yeah.
you know?
Like just regular. Okay.
Yeah, just a regular open.
Right.
But then, I've never seen this before.
Okay.
If you do this,
Oh wait, I gotta get that. Like, what the heck? Okay,
Can I
go.
open it?
Open it
okay,
again.
so if you put the handle up and you pull, it like props it open. This is so cool. Remember that when we went to sign the lease
Yeah.
here? So during the day, right, we looked at it, we're like, okay, great, we'll take it.
Yeah.
When we went to sign the lease, they had this propped open, and I was like, your door's broken. We're not paying. You gotta fix that before we move in.
Right.
No, this is just normal here.
Okay.
It's so nice.
The flat screen TV that we've yet to use.
Yeah, we never watch TV.
Okay.
But, I mean, if that's your thing. It's there. Okay, now the kitchen. Do you know how long it's been since I had an oven? I've been traveling for 3.5 years. And besides my time in Australia, I haven't had an oven. So I'm super excited for that. Okay, we have this giant fridge. And it's all fancy, right? Couldn't tell you last time I had a fridge with water coming out of it. But you see it?
Oh, hold on.
Lots of space. They love their wine here, so it comes with a wine racker, right? Wine holder inside the fridge. But tons of freezer space. Lots of that space.
What happens if we leave the door open for too long?
Oh, it has an alarm. It yells at us.
Okay, let's leave it open for a sec. See what happens.
Okay. And there's more storage up here. I can't I can't reach. But there's storage here and up top too.
Okay.
What else do we have? Oh, these things are the soft close too. Watch. Like it's amazing. Oh, we gotta show the door in the bathroom does that too.
Okay. So I think if we close the fridge just to like right
It'll
there,
probably
and it
open.
doesn't, it's not closed.
What else do we have in here?
Beautiful.
Tons of
Oh,
storage
don't
again.
forget
Oh,
about the
we did.
range. What about the range? If you pull it out,
This
what
stuff?
happens?
Oh, you got the.
You gotta pull it towards you. You can say she cooks, but she
Yeah.
doesn't ever use that.
I never do. I don't think either. I've never had one or I never used it.
Okay.
I don't know.
All right, for some reason.
So we did a huge grocery store run yesterday.
Yeah.
So we're stocked full for a while. But again, there's so much storage. Again, they love their wine and we love wine. So we stocked up.
Mm-hmm.
This was, we bought 11 bottles of wine. It was a total of $30. And it's not like shitty wine. Like it's actually
Okay.
really delicious.
Okay. And what else
Yes.
I like
Oh
about
gosh,
this kitchen?
This thing.
Yeah. What
Wait,
is it?
I thought you let the alarm go off.
Yeah, it did not. It for some reason. It's not working
Okay,
today.
so usually we wash dishes and have to let it dry over here.
Right.
But this cabinet is where you let your dishes dry, and then there's this this little thing that catches the water.
Yeah.
Just so cool. Now, unfortunately, I can't reach the top shelf.
I would do dishes.
So you do the dishes.
I do the dishes, yeah.
Because I can't get it.
Okay.
Alright, big table. Which
Yeah.
I like
With
more than
cushions.
the table.
The chairs
Yeah.
have cushions.
Yeah, easily removable if you don't like them.
Yeah.
But we really like them.
Hardwood floors throughout.
Yeah, this couch is huge.
Okay.
And this part's awesome. But so you're used to sofa beds, right? In the US. But here they do something a little different. You pull this out.
We both slept on that a few.
We did,
night or
yeah.
two. Maybe the first week that we got here.
Oh.
Oh.
Well, normally
No, pull it out some more. It can go out.
No, it's you know, put the cushions all the way in.
Oh, okay. Go ahead and do that then.
Might as well do it now.
Okay, there we.
Flat there.
Yeah. And do the other one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give me a moment.
All right. Take your time. Shorty.
So yeah, if we have people come visit us, they have a place to stay that's really comfortable. I mean, like this couch is just as comfortable as the bed,
Yeah.
which is amazing. Okay, that's our huge couch.
Okay.
And then, hold on, I'm just gonna put it back.
It's really easy to come
It's
out,
so easy to do.
to pull out. I mean.
Okay.
And this apartment came fully furnished.
Yeah.
We have a
fully
flat screen
furnished.
TV.
Oh yeah, another one. Oh, that's
Yeah.
our second TV.
Yeah.
The
And
dishes.
aircon.
Aircon, another. Oh, this is our other heater. The fourth one. And then, this is really important for us, is having lots of natural light and a balcony.
Yeah.
So, again,
Does
one
this
has-
door do the same as like the one in the
Yeah.
bedroom?
You just prop it open.
So let
Again.
air in. The
Yeah, just like a little bit.
good airflow.
Or you
Okay.
can do the regular.
Okay.
So, little storage out here.
Yeah.
This is our water heater and our heater. I don't know what you call it. And more storage, cleaning, etc. And then we have this giant balcony. Like, it's literally the length of our apartment.
So we have
Here's our bedroom right here.
entrance. Okay. Can enter from the bedroom and exit.
Yeah.
And we can do lunges. Go ahead, do some lunges. All the way there.
Boom.
Okay.
I also like this. This is just for the residents here, right? So it's on what's that, level 3?
Yeah,
I
level
wanna
3.
say-
Key 3.
Yeah. So you got still some green space in the middle of the city.
It actually has signs downstairs there to walk your dogs. Like pick up the dogs.
The poop and
yeah,
stuff.
So
Yeah, and then we are in, God, I don't even know how to pronounce this suburb.
okay, that's all right.
It starts with an S, Sabrulata, or
Okay.
something like that. But that's like one of the main streets. Kazbegi.
Okay.
And we're right off it.
Yeah.
We're literally on the main street. So, 4, 5, oh yeah! Oh god, we got mountains on both sides, if you can see. So if you don't know, Tbilisi, however you say this
Tbilisi.
town, I don't know. Both mountain ranges are on either side of it, so it doesn't get super cold in the winter, and it doesn't get super hot in the summer because of it.
Okay.
Hey,
And
look, you can see mountains!
my favorite, we have a basketball court right downstairs.
Yeah! See, I see a soccer field.
Oh, there's a goal. So,
It's a combo.
yeah.
This is super common. There's lots of
Perfect.
combo fields that have basketball hoops and soccer goals. What
Okay.
else? What else?
I think that's it.
So, for $500 a month,
Mhm.
you can get all of this here.
Okay.
And we looked at,
5 different units.
yeah, we looked at 5 other units before we settled on this one. Please. Before we chose this one.
Yeah.
And you can definitely get cheaper.
What's the process
100%.
like?
So this actually started at $600 a month.
Right,
We
but how did
negotiated
we
down.
find this place? Like, what sort of research did we do? Was this hard
Oh.
for us?
Oh my god, it was so easy.
Okay.
First we thought about,
How long? Let's start. How long were we here in Georgia before we started? 4 days.
4 days.
Okay.
And at first we had always heard, oh, just do Airbnb for monthly rentals. But the problem with that is you can't see the Airbnb first before you commit to a whole month, and that kind of scares me because I want to know what I'm getting into.
Right.
So instead we decided to do a rental. So I looked on, there's lots of Facebook groups. I found a realtor on there, and then in a matter of a day, I sent her all the listings I liked, and she set up the showings, and in it took us probably 2.5 hours to
Right.
view them all.
Yeah.
Ish. So we told her our price point. There's definitely more expensive places. There's
Right.
definitely cheaper places. This works for our budget, and it's everything that we wanted. My requirements are a table with chairs, in a true one bedroom to shut the door off.
Mhm.
And your requirements are a balcony and lots of natural air.
Right.
Or natural light.
Natural light. But we
Yes.
both, as
We both
because
really like this.
we both love it, but I think also one major deciding factor for us was the Wi-Fi speed. How is
oh my
that?
gosh. Well, see, the Wi-Fi, we can determine how fast or slow it is.
It is super fast.
Oh, it's up.
I'm
oh,
able to
yeah.
watch movies,
It's like,
and it doesn't buffer at all.
So we pay $12 a month for our own router, right? Private Wi-Fi. And the speeds...
$12 a month?
Yeah,
Holy
total.
crap. Okay.
And the speeds are... We pay for 35, but we pull in about 40 to 45.
It is super fast.
It is so fast.
We've lived in a lot of
Like,
different
we lived in
countries.
Thailand. I mean, Thailand was pretty good, but
Right.
it's nowhere near...
No, we're like our
this.
condo
I mean,
in Thailand.
This is so fast. Granted,
Yeah.
our condo in Chiang Mai, we were on a share, the public, the free, but this is so fast.
Yeah.
It's amazing. So,
All right.
yeah. That's all.
More to come. Okay.
Yeah.